Hi everyone, Ironclad Cobra here, and welcome to another First Impressions quick unboxing video. Today I'm featuring the ultimate pocketable retro emulation device, which is the Miyoo Mini Plus. It's been a while. I was, eyeing on this device until it came down to $45 on AliExpress. So I said I should have this device. So it's a must-have if you are an emulation handheld collector, and it's the ultimate pocketable handheld console. So I'll just share my quick unboxing first impressions video with you. Let's start. As I said, the price varies. It comes from $40 to $65 or $70 depending on the online store that you buy. I know some people got it from TikTok stores for even $25 or $30, but I'll just share the link for the AliExpress store that I got the Miyoo Mini Plus, which is the same store that I got my R36S. Later in the next couple of days, I'll make a comparison video between the Miyoo Mini Plus and the R36S as well. So let's just look it up. This is the packaging, the box. As you see, the Miyoo Mini Plus here. On this side it has the info, micro SD card slot, battery life I think 3000 milliamp, roughly 5 to 6 hours of gameplay, 3.5 inch IPS screen, 640 by 480 resolution, and I think it comes with 4 colors: the clear purple, clear black, desert tan, and the white. My favorite is always the clear purple because, as I mentioned in my previous videos, it's very nostalgic to me, the clear shells. Plus they don't collect lots of fingerprints, and of course it has also built-in Wi-Fi chip as well. So let's have a look. There's nothing on this side of the box, just the branding, and that's it. Okay, so let's open it up. This is the instruction manual, as you see, hopefully in English. That is correct. All the hotkeys, the controllers, how to use it, completely here. It also has the features, as you see. It comes with pre-installed operating system, but it also has very good community support. I think you can install custom firmware, Garlic OS or Onion OS, but let's have a look if the built-in or pre-installed operating system is good to use. Okay, so that is the instructions manual, as you see. Let's look at the contents of the box. Here is the unit itself. Oh, that's quite hard. Yeah, there we go. We'll come to the unit in a minute. Let's look at the contents of the box. So we have here the screen wipes, and then we also have a screen protector, I guess. This is a screen protector too. And then we have the generic USB-A to USB-C charging cable, which comes, always standard with all these handhelds. And then we also have a micro SD card reader as well. Very good. So that's the contents of the box. Let's look at the unit itself now. Wow, very cool handheld. It's quite small as well. The face buttons feel really premium. I think the build quality is premium for the Miyoo Mini. The D-pad, very good feel as well. The function button, start and select. The controllers are really amazing. I think the build quality is also very good, as you see. Look how beautiful is the back plate. The battery compartment is also, you can also pop it open to change the battery as well. The shoulder buttons, the shoulder triggers feel really soft. Really good handheld. I'm really impressed. Okay, here is the volume button, and then here at the bottom we have the USB-C charging port, the micro SD card slot, and then 3.5mm audio jack. On this side I think there's nothing, and on top we have the on and off button, as you see here, and then here we have LED light that is for the charging indicator. Okay, it's very good device in the hands, and it's ultimately pocketable. I have to mention that the power is not so good on this device. It has the Cortex A7 with a clock speed of 1.2 GHz. The RAM is also 128 megabytes, but I think that would be enough to play up to 16, 32-bit games. I wouldn't expect anything around Dreamcast or PS1, but all the systems below those systems are absolutely playable. Okay, so let's power it up and see how is the operating system. Beautiful music, the games, all the systems here. Beautiful, very beautiful. RetroArch, favorites, recents played. Apps as well, you can also use apps here. File Explorer, RetroArch, clock, settings as well. You can, regulate the brightness, Wi-Fi, color, language. Themes, you can also change the themes as well. Oh, they also have the Onion OS Lila theme. This is one of my favorite themes. Let's just apply it and show you an example. Wow, very beautiful. It goes really well with the purple shell. Look at it. Absolutely beautiful. I'm very impressed with Miyoo Mini Plus. As I said, guys, you are more than welcome to install custom firmware on this. There is Onion OS and Garlic OS, and they have very good community support, and I think it's very special handheld. Now, if you are a person who is looking for ultimate portability and play up to, let's say, SNES, this would be the must-have device. And I think the power to performance ratio is very well. The build quality, the controllers are absolutely amazing, and the price range, you know, 40 to 60 US dollars is a very good price for a handheld like this. Okay guys, I'll do probably a comparison video between the Miyoo Mini Plus and the R36S in the next couple of days. Apart from that, as I said, it's a beautiful device to have. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. And always remember, we don't stop gaming because we grow old. We grow old because we stop gaming.